Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Olympia Heights local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers' expertise in city navigation ensures a seamless and efficient moving experience. With their in-depth knowledge of Olympia Heights neighborhoods, 3 Movers can help you choose the best routes, avoid traffic congestion, and ensure a smooth transition to your new home. Their Olympia Heights local TM movers are experienced in carefully packing and protecting your belongings. 3 Movers professionals are trained in efficient loading and unloading techniques, ensuring that your furniture and possessions are safely transported from your old residence to your new one. Whether moving within Florida or outside the state, 3 Movers ensures a seamless and reliable long-distance moving experience. Olympia Long Distance 3 Movers prioritizes the safety of your belongings during the long-distance move. They offer transparent and detailed quotes, ensuring there are no surprises when it comes to the cost of your move. 3 Movers can handle all the logistics, from packing your belongings securely to coordinating transportation to your destination. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Olympia Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.